How to make membership website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to create a suitable password and use your email address. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. And you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. And now Wix website offers us to try an AI help. But in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a membership website. So I'm gonna just type membership. So we have such variants as online club, subscription box, community hub, fitness subscription box, wine club subscription box, association, club, social support network, online course program, investment club. So I think the best option that suits membership is online club basically. So I'm gonna just choose this one. Then you need to click this button continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. And now we need to answer this question: what are your goals for this site? This will help us match you with tools and features to fit your needs. So you can choose from such variants as sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, build a community, promote a business, promote myself, just explore. So basically for membership website, I think we need to choose this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, of course this one, build a community. Feel free to choose something else if your goals is another's. And now we can choose the apps we would like to add on our website. So recommended for us is events, create events, sell tickets, online store if you want to sell products on your website, and groups, create active communities for your site members. I think we really need this one. And also you can discover more apps such as bookings, blog, portfolio, pricing plans, forms, chat, etc. And now we are all set. We can continue to dashboard. And now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 3 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. Basically we need to connect a custom domain. So guys, you just need to create a custom domain and click this one, click this button, let's go. And next, the most important one, design your website. We will move straight to this point. And so now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one, customize a template, because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com have plenty of templates. And here we have most popular website templates. Also you can choose blank templates if you wanna make site from scratch. And we can search all templates. For example, we need a membership website, so just type membership. And for example, So I searched a little among this and found what seems to me the most suitable option. You can do the same and find the option that seems you best for your purposes, for how you see your future website. So I think this one, community center suits the best, and we can click this button view to check this out, or we can move straight to editor's page by clicking this button edit. And now we are going to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option for creating a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as C++, Python, or maybe Java. You just need to use a website for creating another website. I think that's the best about Wix.com. That's why I highly recommend it to you. And now everything is ready. You just need to choose, so you just can edit almost everything here. Here we can, no, not everything ready. So now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And also here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer here. For example, if you want to edit this specific section, for example, welcome section, you just need to click, double click on this, or you can just click this button, quick edit. So if you wanted to, for example, edit this text, you just need to double click on this text, and you will be able to type anything you want. Also, you can change the style, change fonts, change font size. Of course, you can edit this image. You can change the placement of this image, change the size of this image. Basically, this is not image, it's like slides. You can manage them by clicking this button here. Also, you can change slide background. For example, you can see it's pretty empty, and for example, you can add elements here. For example, text here. You need just to drag it and drop anywhere on this section, or just on this page. For example, here you can click this button, edit text, or just double click on this text, write anything you want here. Or you can just add some buttons here. For example, I don't know, like read more. And you can link this button, for example, for page on your site or for another website. Even email and phone number. Also, you can add some images here: strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu, and anchor. For example, I wanted to add a menu on the header because it's pretty empty. For example, I really like this menu, and I can attach it to header. Pretty easy. So let's edit this section about. You can also edit the text, change the text, delete some text, like just click delete button, or just right click and click delete. Of course, you can change background by clicking this button, or you can add image here by choosing image. You can upload image from your computer, or you can import image from your social and Google accounts. Also, you can create AI image, easily create unique images for your site, and also you can use free Wix images and free Wix illustrations. Also, you can even custom your logo. Also, we have such pages like About, Talks on Demand, Free Talks, Apply, Contact, Events, Groups, Members. You can manage them by clicking this button. For example, you don't want to have maybe light boxes. You can just delete this. Also, you can add some pages here. Also, you can hide some pages from menu by clicking this, and you can show it when it hide it. Basically, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you need to click this button, click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.